This ultraviolet dye kit from ERRECOM makes tracking down refrigerant leaks in automotive air conditioning systems far quicker and more straightforward than traditional soap or electronic methods. The set includes 12 small single-service bottles, so you can treat multiple vehicles while keeping dosing consistent and avoiding contamination between jobs. Its formulation works with essentially every common automotive refrigerant and lubricant type, which is very convenient if you service different generations of air conditioning systems. Under an ultraviolet inspection lamp, the dye glows brightly and cleanly, making even tiny seepage points easy to spot and label for later repair. The product is free of harsh solvents and is designed not to damage compressors, seals, or recovery equipment, which inspires confidence when adding it to expensive systems. A sturdy, reusable adapter for R134A ports is included, and the overall kit has the solid, precise feel you would expect from Italian-made professional equipment.